In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a payment method in Hubstaff. This is a simple process, and once you know where to look, it only takes a minute or two. If you're managing billing for more than one organization, it's especially important to make sure you're updating the correct account before making any changes. That helps prevent confusion and ensures the payment details are applied to the right workspace. To begin, log into Hubstaff and look to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see your organization name there. Click on it to open the account menu. This menu gives you access to organization level settings, which is where billing options are managed. From that drop-down, select Organizations. This will take you to the area where all the organizations connected to your account are listed. If you belong to more than one organization, take a moment here to identify the one you want to update. It's a good idea to double-check the organization name before moving forward, especially if you handle billing for multiple teams or clients. Once you've found the organization you want to modify, click on the organization menu for that entry. This menu contains additional options related to that specific organization. From there, look for the Actions option and then choose Manage Billing. This will open the billing section where you can review and update payment-related details for that organization. Inside the billing area, find and click Update Payment Method. This is the option that allows you to add a new payment method or replace the existing one. Follow the prompts on screen to enter the required payment information carefully. When filling this out, make sure everything is accurate, since even a small typo can cause payment issues later. After entering the updated details, review everything one more time before confirming. Taking a few extra seconds to check your information can help avoid failed charges or billing interruptions. And that's it. Once the payment method has been updated successfully, your organization's billing information will reflect the new details going forward. If you don't see the billing options described in this video, you may need the right administrative permissions within the organization to make payment changes. That's how to add a payment method in Hubstaff.